Dogs standing guard in front of an ATM. A dog saving his master from drowning. Another one defending his master against a rabid goose. Sit back and relax if you don't have a pet dog yet. This video will certainly make you want to tame one. Here are the sequences where the dogs were the real heroes for their masters. This man is a proud owner of a pack of wolf dogs. He takes such good care of them that they give back to him quite well. In addition to being his pets, they are also his bodyguards. When he decides to withdraw money from the bank, even in the middle of the night, the master has nothing to fear. He will simply take his little pack of dogs with him. And while he is quietly withdrawing his money from the ATM, the dogs form a real army behind him. 2 of them stand in front of the bank's door. 2 others stand in front of the ATM, and the others make the rounds. The man can thus withdraw his money without fearing that one comes to attack him. It's true that going out with so many dogs, it must not be very practical for him all the time, but at least he has the certainty of being well protected. Dogs are man's best friends. They are there when we are sick, when we are sad, when we are in danger, or when we are hungover and unconscious. In Colombia, a dog was with his master in a popular district of the capital. The man who had spent the evening drinking finally lost consciousness and laid down in the middle of the road on the asphalt to sleep. His dog naturally stayed with him to protect him, but the next morning, several people, including a policeman, gathered around the drunk man to try to wake him up, since he was blocking cars from passing. Seeing that his master probably in danger, the dog decided to defend him. So every time someone tried to approach him to wake him up and shake him, the dog would start barking loudly to scare him away. The dog was standing close to his master's head to prevent him from being touched, especially since he noticed that the policeman was holding a stick in his hand. The most surprising thing is that the dog was not only acting as a protector, but at the same time trying to wake up his master gently by patting his face tenderly. This is how the man finally woke up in a daze. The dog had a very stressful moment because he was convinced that his master was in danger. This moving scene was filmed by one of the passers-by and made the tour of the networks in a very short time. This dog is definitely the most loyal dog on earth. A man was walking with his pet one day when suddenly he came across an angry goose running towards him. Being aware that this angry goose could be very dangerous, the man decided to run away to avoid getting hurt. But the rabid bird was finally able to grab him violently and pull him by the coat before pecking him on the legs. While he was being attacked, his dog immediately jumped on the attacker to bite her in the neck and neutralize her. After a small battle of a few seconds, the dog finally managed to get the goose away from its master. The man must have ended up with bruises on his legs, but it could have been worse if his dog had not intervened. This mishap will have taught him that from now on he should be aware of wild geese and that he should never take a step outside without his dog. In a working-class neighborhood in China, a man riding his bicycle had his dog behind him. At one point, he decided to stop to go into a bank, so he put his bike down near a power pole and went into the branch, leaving his bike open to thieves since he didn't have a chain to tie it down. And since his dog was not allowed to enter the agency either, he left it next to the bike. The dog realized that he had to stand guard until his master returned. He stood up on 2 legs, put his other 2 front legs on the bike as if to say to the others, "Don't touch," and stood guard. He stayed like that for many minutes until he saw his master coming. The latter had not been able to wait long because he was afraid that someone would steal his bike, but when he saw that his dog was acting as a guard for him, he was quickly relieved. From now on, he won't have to worry about his bike. He doesn't even have to buy a chain. A 63-year-old man has a German Shepherd dog named Heidi. Heidi always follows her owner wherever he goes. One day, while they were both on a boat near Queensland, Australia, the dog and her owner hit a huge rock, which caused their boat to sink. After swimming for several minutes, the man and the dog managed to grab onto a piece of the shattered boat. After a while, seeing that her owner was seriously injured and that they had very little chance of crossing the path of someone who could save them in the middle of the ocean, Heidi decided to take matters into her own hands and go for help herself. The brave dog left her owner clinging to the wooden plank and then swam for many hours blindly, desperately looking for someone who could help her. After 11 hours of intense swimming, the exhausted dog was spotted by a passing fisherman. Upon seeing the dog, the fisherman immediately alerted the authorities, who in turn began searching for her owner. Heidi, who had been rescued from the water and was now safe, was present during all rescue operations. The Queensland Police dispatched a Rescue 500 helicopter, 4 boats, a marine safety jet ski, the Volunteer Marine Coast Guard, and the Volunteer Marine Rescue, a rescue mission worthy of the great American movies. After an endless search that lasted several hours, Heidi's owner was finally found safe and sound, a true miracle. Heidi, on the other hand, was out of breath as she had been swimming in the middle of the night for more than 10 hours in the middle of the darkness of the ocean. She was taken to a veterinarian to get checked out, fed, and revived. After this incredible event, Heidi and her owner were able to reunite. She had risked her life and done everything to save the one who meant the most to her. The best way to prove to her owner that she could not only be a loving and loyal pet dog, but also his hero. This video shows a mother accompanied by her little boy and her 2 dogs. One day, while they were all together in a room, the mother wanted to test the fidelity of her animals by setting up, with the complicity of her son, a small scene. While recording herself with the camera, the mother pretended to punish her son because of a mistake he had supposedly made. She then started to shout at him with a sandal in her hand, threatening to hit him. As for the little one, he played his role very well because he made the dogs believe that he was really afraid of his mother's threats. The reaction of the dogs was exceptional. Every time the mom raised her voice and got too close to her crying son, the dogs started barking loudly to defend the boy. They would try to push the mother's hand away from her by coming between her and her son. The dogs, not having the ability to discern between real and fake, really thought she was going to hit him. Now, because of this staging, the mother has a little blackened her image with her dogs, but she quickly reassured them that it was only a game. The advantage is that from now on, she can be reassured for her son because nobody would dare to hurt him by seeing him so well surrounded. Jordan Paymer and Zachary Phillips are a couple who live in the state of Ohio in the United States. They have been the happy parents of an adorable little boy named Zeke for a few months now. One day, the couple had just returned home after doing some shopping in the local supermarket. Tired, the mother decided to entrust her little one to her husband Zachary while she went to take a shower. Zachary, on the other hand, seeing that his baby had fallen asleep, decided to do the same since he had a long night of work ahead of him, so he wanted to rest and get some strength before going to work. He ended up falling asleep next to the car seat where little Zeke was sleeping. But in the meantime, someone sneaks into the house and grabs the car seat where little Zeke was still strapped in. A nightmare for the parents who were at the time absent. But it was without counting on the incredible Lola, the dog of company of the couple. This last one, feeling the presence of a stranger in the house, started to bark very loudly and without stop in order to alert the parents. The father woke up with a start and the mother ran downstairs to see what was going on. They noticed that their son was missing. They started to search everywhere with the help of Lola, turning the house upside down, but they could not find the baby. It is only about 20 minutes later that they find the crying baby outside on the lawn of the garden, still attached to his seat. The baby had been abandoned outside after the thief was threatened by Lola's barking. The thief realized that Lola had alerted her owners and that he was in danger of being caught, so he abandoned his kidnapping attempt. No one has any clues yet as to who committed this crime, but Jordan Paymer told the American media that she had been visited a few months earlier by a woman who identified herself as a child welfare worker. The woman said she was sent after complaints were made about the couple's treatment of their baby, a strange visit that another neighbor claims to have received for the same reasons. This so-called assistant was most likely scouting before taking action. Today, this unknown lady is in the crosshairs of the police, who are actively working on this mysterious lead. Jordan Paymer and Zachary Phillips had a waking nightmare when they realized their son was missing. But luckily, Lola acted as a true hero by scaring the unknown man who had entered the house. Without that, their baby would have probably been kidnapped, and they would certainly never have been able to find him. The young parents are now very happy to have Lola by their side. They consider her much more than a pet dog, but as Zeke's big sister. One day at nightfall, 2 hooded and armed individuals were loitering near a bank branch. They were waiting for the branch to empty so they could carry out their robbery quietly, with as few people as possible at their side. As the tellers were about to close the day, the 2 robbers suddenly broke in and interrupted their activity. They pointed their guns at the bank employees, and while they were giving them orders, a guard dog came up behind one of the 2 robbers and started to attack him. It started by pulling him by his collar in order to destabilize him before biting him violently on the neck. He was in so much pain that he dropped his weapon and immediately fell to the ground. Twisting in pain, he was forced to abandon his robbery project. As for the second bandit, he became frightened and ran away. The police soon came to neutralize the criminal. He finally missed his robbery, but on top of that, he left with a beautiful scar for life, so that he will remember that night well. So what do you think of these incredible sequences? Tell us in the comments if you have a dog and if it has ever saved you in a distress situation. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive all notifications and not miss anything of our next contents.